May tanong ako, yung boss mo ba ay isang mahusay na leader o hindi? Pakisagot yung tanong na yan pagkatapos mo mapanood itong video na ito. In the 1980s, itong si Kuses and Posner started the research to find out the practices of exemplary leaders. At itong research na ito ay nag-continue, I believe, up to this day. No? And they wrote a book, The Leadership Challenge. That's a highly recommended book for you to read if you are trying to develop your capability as a leader. Yung limang practices na yon ang gagamitin nating basihan to assess kung yung boss mo ba ay mahusay na leader o hindi. Ang unang exemplary practice ay modeling the way. A good leader is a good role model. They are credible because there's consistency of words and action. As a result, pinagtitiwalaan sila ng mga tao nila kasi malinaw ang kanilang pagkatao at ang kanilang leadership values. Ganyan ba ang boss mo? Pangalawa, inspiring a shared vision. That's the second leadership practice of exemplary leaders. Ang leader na mahusay ay sinusunod ng mga tao nila kasi naniniwala sila sa vision ng leader. Nakikita nila yung kahalagahan ng vision na yun, hindi lang para sa leader, kung hindi para sa kumpanya or sa organization, maybe even the country, and the followers. So, they're willing to make sacrifices, they're willing to commit and do the hard work because they believe in the vision of the leader. It's a shared vision. Pangatlo, challenge the process. A good leader challenges the process. They recognize areas for improvement, innovation, and they listen to the ideas of people that will contribute to the achievement of the goal. So, ang leader mo ba ay open to changes or initiate or champion changes? Pangatlo, enabling others to act. An exemplary leader believes in collaboration, they build trust, and then they empower others. Ano mga sign na ang leader mo ay ganito? They listen to you. They engage you in conversations. They build a team culture. They coach, they mentor, and they are interested in your growth. That's enabling others to act. Yung leader mo ba o yung boss mo ba ay ganyan. Yung panglima ay encourage the heart. A good leader recognizes and appreciates the contribution of the members of the team. So pinahalaga nila yung ginagawa mo at they are generous with rewarding and recognizing your contribution. And they motivate you to do better. And the more you do, the more you contribute, the more rewards and recognition you receive from a good leader. So, yung boss mo ba models the way, inspires a shared vision, challenge the process, enable others to act, and encourages the heart. Yes or no? Ikaw, kung ikaw ay leader, pinapractice mo ba ito? Yes or no? Kung gusto mo maging leader, is this something that you're trying to pursue? These 5 practices. Pakisagot.